I will never fear joint cracking after learning this. Or should I? Fact 1. Cracking your joints doesn't cause arthritis. Phew. Fact 2. The sound is just gas bubbles popping in your joints, not bones grinding. Fact 3. If it doesn't hurt, it's generally safe. Fact 4. Cracking can actually relieve pressure and improve range of motion. Fact 5. Chronic joint cracking might signal ligament issues. Keep an eye out. Fact 6. You can't use up your joint cracking. It's not like a punch card. Fact 7. Some people crack more than others due to joint structure. Totally normal. Fact 8, I said. Stretching and moving helps reduce the need to crack. Stay active. Fact 9. Cracking can be a habit or just a way to fidget. Either way, it's usually harmless. Fact 10. When in doubt, consult a doc. It's always good to be sure. So crack on safely.